Hi, I'm Mario Rocci, Congress Chair for the Pharmaceutical Sciences World Congress 2010, which will be held in the thriving and exciting U.S. city of New Orleans. 2010 will bring together the Pharmaceutical Sciences World Congress of the International Pharmaceutical Federation with the American Association of Pharmaceutical Scientists annual meeting for the first time in the history of these leading events. I'm looking forward to joining thousands of scientists from around the world as we converge in the Big Easy. Our cultures will cross and our minds will meet so we can share and explore ways to improve global health through advances in pharmaceutical sciences, which is the PSWC2010 Congress theme. This global perspective will no doubt lead to exciting new discoveries about conventional approaches and unique, culturally based ways to help people around the world. So let me be the first to invite you to come together with colleagues from all over the world as we gather in New Orleans from November 14th through the 18th, 2010. See you there.
Hi, I'm Lang Fung, and I have the honor of serving with Mario Rocci on the PSWC 2010 Committee as Scientific Program Chair. As mentioned, the conference theme for PSWC 2010 is Improving Global Health Through Advances in Pharmaceutical Sciences. I'll be working with the scientific program chairs from Asia, Europe, and the Americas, and many leading international scientists to develop an outstanding scientific program directed to this theme. PSWC 2010 will cover the widest array of scientific disciplines pertaining to the pharmaceutical sciences. We'll have the most cutting-edge research, technological and educational presentations from experts from around the world. I believe that everyone who attends will gain important knowledge and connections from this Congress. I very much look forward to welcoming all my colleagues from around the world to New Orleans. See you in 2010.
World Congresses started in 2000 in a meeting in San Francisco, which we called the Millennial World Congress, not anticipating we would have to wait 1,000 years to the next one. And we then have had meetings in Kyoto and Amsterdam, and then leading up to this meeting in New Orleans in 2010. The idea behind the World Congresses were that pharmaceutical development is a worldwide effort, and the pharmaceutical scientists from the world should work together in an international meeting. There had never been a World Congress of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and we started in 2000, and it's been successful, and it's brought together scientists from across the globe, and we're looking forward to an exceptional meeting in 2010.
Pharmaceutical sciences is now growing in various area or regions in the world. And so this World Congress should be a very good opportunity to mix up all activities, not only in a developed country but also in developing countries, I think. Yes.
And looking forward to the next Pharmaceutical Sciences Congress that will take place in New Orleans. I am excited to again experience the intermixing of the scientists and the sciences from around the world.
So such a rapid exchange among all the world facilitate the exchange of the information, new information. I don't know whether it is good or not, but anyway, those kind of very rapid exchange of the information facilitate the pharmaceutical scientists to get into the new area.
Hi guys, this is Les Benet. Inviting you to come to PSWC 2010 because it is the World Congress of Pharmaceutical Sciences together with the annual meeting of the American Association of Pharmaceutical Scientists. What we're going to see in this meeting is not only the cutting-edge science that reflects AAPS, but the cutting-edge science around the world. This is going to be a meeting where probably the majority of the attendees will be from around the world. It's an opportunity to interact with colleagues who have the same goals, aspirations, and need to to work together with you to achieve the development of drugs within the world. So we're going to have a good time in New Orleans. You can see all that stuff behind me that says we're going to have a good time. And not only that, we're going to have good science. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all in 2010 in New Orleans.
日本の皆さんにもぜひこのニューオーリンズの会議に出席して薬学の最先端の科学に触れていただきたいと思います。
Ich möchte alle Wissenschaftler im deutschsprachigen Raum herzlich einladen, an dem Weltkongress teilzunehmen im Jahr 2010 in New Orleans.
Dear colleagues, come to New Orleans for the good music, jazz, and stay in New Orleans for good food.